Hello everyone. Today we will learn an activity on how to grow sprouts. From these Moong seeds, dry Moong seeds. Sprouts are very easy to grow. They are full of nutrition. It just needs around 2 to 3 days to grow sprouts. Everybody should try this. You will have to take some dry Moong seeds. Dip these Moong seeds with enough water so that all these Moong seeds are completely soaked inside this water. Keep this aside for around 10 to 12 hours minimum. This is the procedure for day 1. We will just keep this aside for around 12 hours and look into the day 2 outcome tomorrow. This is the first step for the sprouting of these Moong seeds. So we will study the process step by step. Dear students, this is the day 2 outcome. You can see the Moong seeds have been swollen, which were kept yesterday, dipped inside the water. Now these seeds are ready for the third step, that is the final step of the sprouting process. Here we will have to discard the water inside the vessel, wrap these seeds in a wet cloth and set aside for minimum 12 hours. So we will continue with the process, the final step, and look into the sprouting of these Moong seeds. Dear students, as I mentioned, I have discarded all the water from this particular container. Now these seeds are ready for the final step. So for the final step we need a wet cloth. So I'll get a wet cloth. A wet cloth is ready. I will pour on all this particular seeds into this wet cloth. Now these seeds are ready to be wrapped in this wet cloth. Now I'll wrap these seeds in this wet cloth and keep aside for minimum 12 hours. Minimum 12 hours. Okay, just take it out, no problem. So I have enough seeds. So we will see the outcome of these seeds wrapped inside this wet cloth, the final step of the sprouting process. Welcome back, dear students. So we are today at a final process of this sprouting. We will just open this wet cloth. Yes, beautifully sprouted. Can you see a small white structure grown out from the seeds? That means it's sprouted. Now what do you mean by sprouting? The seeds are said to be sprouted when the seeds begin to grow or germinate by small roots. These are the small roots. They are ready for the germination. They are germinated, in fact, right? They are already germinated. The small white color structure which you can see which has come out from this seed is called sprout. That means our seeds are sprouted. These are very nutritious. So dear students, you can try this activity at home. I will just give you a quick recap on how and what you will have to do for the sprouting process. Take some dry seeds. I have taken Moong seeds, as you can see these. Then put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water. You can see this. Leave this aside for a day, preferably maybe for 12 to 13 hours is also quite okay. Next day, drain the water completely. You will have to remove the whole water from this, and just the remaining seeds which are soaked, they get swollen as you have already seen in this video. Wrap the seeds with a wet cloth and set aside again for minimum 12 hours. Then the following day, that's today, you can see the sprouts over here, right? The following day, look for the changes in the seeds from dry seeds to the swollen, and now you can see the changes, right? These are the dry seeds. See, from here, this seeds to this seeds, you can see the changes. What happens? What is the change you can see? You can see a small white structure which is grown out of the seed. Yeah? A small white structure that is grown out of the seed. If so, the seeds have sprouted. That means the seed has sprouted. I hope you like this video. Please do share, like and subscribe for the new upcoming videos. I hope you like this activity. Please do try it at home. Thank you.